class 5. So today we move on to the first prose. Okay, so before we move on to the first prose, let me ask some questions. Say, do you like sambar first? Everyone likes sambar, right? But we like biryani more than sambar, right? But there is a story behind this sambar. That's an interesting story. Shall I tell you? Now, there's a ruler named Sahuji in Tanjavur, Maratha. Okay, so Maratha Empire. So Tanjavur. Okay, this ruler. What happened was, in his house one day a guest came. Okay, the name of the guest is Sambaji. Sambaji. Okay, so what happened? He is the emperor. Okay, so when some guest comes, what will you do? We'll do some dishes. We make delicious dishes, and we give them treat, or we ask them to eat, right? So like that, he want to make a dish, the usual dish. Okay, usual dish is called amti. But what happened? Instead of adding moong dal, he added tur dal. Might be there was no dal, I do not know. But instead of moong dal, he added tur dal. And then instead of kukum is a plant. Okay, so instead of that, he added tamarind. What happened? He thought the taste will be same, the smell, everything will be same. But actually what happened was, it totally different. It gives different smell, and it gives different taste as well. So he thought it's a new dish. Okay, now it comes into a new dish. So he wants to name the dish. So what happened? Because the guest name is Sambaji, he named the dish as Samba. Okay, that's how Samba came. Okay, now we move on to the lesson. Okay, the title of this lesson is Wonderful Waste. See the title itself, wonderful. It looks very contrast, right? It's look very opposite to each other. Wonderful is different, waste is different. So let's see what is wonderful waste. Okay, in the story. Now, there was a Maharaja in Travancore. See, Travancore is it in Kerala? Okay, so there was a king. We say king or Maharaja, everything is same. Maharaja of Travancore. So what happened? One day he planned to give a grand dinner. He planned to have a grand dinner in his palace. Okay, it's not simple, right? It's a Maharaja, so the palace will be same, the king of the place, right? So it will be very much grand. If you happen to visit any rich people's wedding, what will you see? You'll see lot of varieties of food, right? So in the same way, in a grand dinner, there'll be varieties of rice, varieties of food, and then drinks. Everything will be there, right? So chapati, like that, there will be more and more, right? So the people in the kitchen, right, the cook, and then everyone who will be helping to in cooking, everyone are busy. Some people are cutting vegetables, some people are cooking something, some people are boiling the rice. So all people are engaged with work. And what happened during evening? So before they have to prepare from morning, right? So what happened? The Maharaja, he went into the kitchen. Okay, he went into the kitchen, and he's searching, and he's watching, and what the cook are doing, what they are preparing, what are the side dishes, and what are the main dishes they are preparing. So everything is watching. And what happened? Suddenly he saw a bowl, and in that bowl there are vegetable waste, vegetable scrap means, see, for example, when you take what is that, any vegetable. Okay, it can be carrot or anything. So what will you do? If you take carrot, first you will cut the first part, right? And then you will remove that part, you will throw that part, and the last part also you will throw them. So that is the part we use after. So the part which are left over, scrap is simply meaning leftover. So the all the vegetables left over, they are called scrap. Okay, so he saw the vegetable scrap scraps, and he was thinking why they are wasting the vegetables. And then he called one cook, and then he called and said, why are you wasting the vegetables? What do you have planned to do with this vegetable scrap? And then the cook said, sir, we are going to throw them away because it is a waste. We cannot use them anymore, so we plan to throw them away. But the Maharaja said, no, no, you should not waste the vegetables. You should use them in any way. I do not know what you're going to do, but you should use them, and you should use them in any way. So this is how the Maharaja commanded the cook. And what will happen? See, the Maharaja himself commanded, so he cannot deny it, right? The cook cannot say, no, sir, I cannot do this, I cannot do that. No, the Maharaja himself said he has to obey, otherwise, he'll be killed, right? So, what happened? The cook was thinking, what can I do with this vegetable scrap? So, he was thinking. Suddenly, a thought came. Suddenly, one idea came to him. So, what was the idea? What was the idea? So, what he did, he took all the vegetable scraps, and then he washed them, and then he cut them into strips. Okay, he cut them into strips, and then now he is going to make a new dish. Okay, shall we see what are the ingredients he added in the dish? Okay, so now he is going to make a new dish. Okay, now he take a big pot because it's a for grand dinner, so there will be lot of people, everyone should eat, right? So he took a big pot, and then he put all the vegetable scrap, and because he made it into the he cut them into the strip, right? So he put all the strips into the pot, and he poured some water, and it's boiling now. And on another side, what happened, he grind, so coconut, green chili, and then garlic. So he add all these three and is grind. For nowadays we use mixer, right? So for idli dosa we use grinder, right? So for they have some particular uh, um, not machine they'll be having, but some handmade they used to have. And then he added salt. See, for any food salt is very important. If you add more salt, it will not be tasty. If you add less salt, that also will not be tasty. You must have the equal quantity of salt, right? So the needed salt, so yeah, he had salt. Okay, first what he did, he put all the scraps, and then he pour water, and now it's boiling. So while it was boiling, he put the grounded paste, that's become paste, right? And what are the things he added to grind? Coconut, green chili, and then garlic, and then he put the paste into the cooking vegetables. Okay, and then what he add now, he add salt, and then finally he whip the vegetable cook the cooking vegetables with curd. Okay, so at last, what is very important, what gives um, smell, that tempting smell, means curry leaves. So curry leaves, at last to decorate the dish, he put curry leaves, okay, all over the dish. Okay, and then now it's become a good tasty new dish, right? So everyone are tasting this new dish, and everyone is thinking, what is this, the name of the dish, right? If you go somewhere and you taste something new and it tastes good, what will you do? You want to know what is the name of the dish, right? So this everyone in the grand dinner also, this is the dish, this is called wait, I'll tell you. So this is this new dish. Okay, so who prepared this dish? The cook, right? So what happened, he himself named the dish. Okay, the cook himself named the dish. So he was thinking, suddenly got one idea. He named the dish as avial. What? avial. See, when you hear avial, if you ask your mom, what is avial, they'll say it's Kerala food. As I said, it's established in Kerala. Well, first in Kerala, this food was m- made, right? So this still even today. It is a famous food in Kerala, and in all their traditional occasions like a wedding or anything, they'll have avial. Without avial, they won't keep any traditional feast. Okay, so it is very much famous. See, we think it's just a simple avial, it's just a simple sambar, but they have a story behind it, right? So not only these two, there are many other stories are there. You go and search in Google, and you will get many stories behind biryanis. There is story, and then so you have lot of stories like that. So you can search it, and you will know many stories about dishes, many dishes. Okay, so do you like the story? So just a recap, what happened. um, where was the Travancore? It is in Kerala. So what happened? The Maharaja, he planned to give a grand dinner, and then what happened? When he entered into the kitchen, he saw the vegetable scrap in a bowl, and he said, "You should not waste them, but you should use them." So the the cook was thinking what to do with this vegetable scrap, and what he did, he made them into strips, and he put them in a big pot and poured water, and then the paste mixed with coconut, chili, green chili, and garlic, and then he adds salt, and then finally curd, and then he decorated with he decorated with curry leaves. Now avial is ready. Okay, so this how the avial comes. Okay, so do you like the story? Okay, thank you.